Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Wallpaper Live and granting the essential permissions so the app can read media and set wallpapers. Once done, pick a high-resolution source, video or animated image, matching your screen ratio to avoid distortion. Make sure to enable battery exemptions if you want continuous motion, otherwise the system may suspend animations. Next, open the app and import your chosen file, then move directly to cropping and preview, so you can see how the motion aligns with icons. Now you refine how the wallpaper behaves. Adjust speed, loop points, and brightness so movement feels natural. Try 25%, 50%, and full speed to compare. Then, enable parallax or gyroscope effects if your device supports them. This adds depth but can introduce lag, so preview thoroughly. If you want extra flair, add audio-reactive filters or shader plugins, but be mindful. These increase CPU and battery usage, so test performance while multitasking to confirm acceptable responsiveness. To finish, apply the wallpaper to your home screen, lock screen, or both, and verify orientation and parallax behavior on each. Once you're happy, save a profile or preset and export a backup so you can restore settings after resets. If you encounter stutter or crashes, try re-encoding the source to a lower bitrate or frame rate, disable CPU-intensive plugins, and make sure battery optimization isn't forcibly killing the app. That troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.